Hi everyone, this tutorial is on how to use Swipe to go through emails on Outlook Mobile. Instead of closing one email and opening another email, you can quickly swipe through emails. The similar functionality is available in Outlook on a desktop. Please reach out to us if you want to know how. Here's how you will do that on Outlook Mobile. Open up an email. To see the next email or the email below that, swipe left. And to see the previous email or the email above that, swipe right. A quick question for you. Are you interested in the training to help you take good control of your emails, tasks, and projects and effectively use your computer, smartphone, and mobile devices? Turner Time has a training program for you. Go to our website, turnertimemanagement.com, and schedule a complimentary consultation meeting with Turner Time. You can also send us an email at info@turnertimemanagement.com or call 855-778-8463. And we look forward to being of service.